Good morning, friends. Welcome to all friends in online education. Due to coronavirus situation, you cannot come in college regularly. Because of COVID-19 situation, you cannot attend the physical lecture and physical attendance in the classroom. So, friends, according to the rules and regulations of government, the guideline of UGC, our HNGU Hemchandracharya Uttar Gujarat University has decided to give all the students online education. So friends, our college Sri K.R. Anjana Arts and Commerce College and Sri R.K. Pantrod Science College Dhanera has also decided to give you online education through WhatsApp and YouTube channel. All my dear friends, today we are going to discuss about our selected syllabus. In this year, in BA semester 3 and BSc semester 3, I will teach you compulsory English, foundation compulsory English. So friends, first we will discuss about our syllabus and whatever units and topics are selected in compulsory English. In BA and BSc semester 3, we will study the book. The book name is Glimpses of Life, an anthology of short stories. With the short stories, we will also learn grammar points, text-based items and phrase, letter writing, etc. Dear friends, here you can see a page. You can see a page. In this page, you can also see the 4 units that is selected unit in our syllabus. Unit number 1st, unit number 2nd, unit number 3rd and unit number 4. These are selected units in our syllabus. In unit number 1st, friends, here you can see 5 selected short story. The first selected story is The Gift of Maggie, Dai Vyakti Martini Pet. The Gift of Maggie is a delightful story written by O. Henry. The story relates deep love between Jim and Della, which leads them to sacrifice the greatest treasure of their house to buy their Christmas gift. The second story is The Child, Balak. The Child is an interesting story written by Prem Chand. The story focuses on Gangu's marrying a woman of a bad reputation in the society. The third story, third story is The Last Salvation, Aakhri Chutkaro. The Last Salvation is a thought-provoking story written by R.P. Sisodia. The story points out the harsh reality of life, a woman who is illiterate by her son and the daughter-in-law in spite of the eternal sacrifice as a mother. Next, the story number 4 is I prepare to go to Coimbatore. હું કોઇમ્બતુર જવાની તૈયારી કરું છું. I prepare to go to Coimbatore is an interesting autobiographical account presented by Kasturi Srinivas. The next and last, number 5 story is A Slip of the Tongue, Jeepni Gaflat. The story A Slip of Tongue is an interesting story written by F.E.B. Gray. The story A Slip of Tongue takes us into the remote past of India and tells us about a man who is able to build an author of South Share and a seer about himself. Harishma A stupid Brahmin presented to be a wise man and skilled in a science like astrology. So when the horse of Stuldatta was lost, he was consulted and they found the horse. In fact, it was hidden by himself. It is the story of ancient Indian people consult the south seer instead of approaching the police for the lost thing. Even the king consults Harishrama when he shows the treasure buried in the garden. The king gives him village as a reward, which also refers to the past practice of king. King's reward of an umbrella as a symbol of power also takes us in the past. Thus the story takes us in a past and different age. Here we completed first unit. The second unit is about the text-based items and phrases. Means it is based on vocabulary. Unit number 3 is about grammar. In this unit we will learn grammar topics. Here there are 3 selected grammar topics. First, voice, active voice and passive voice, कर्तरी प्रयोग and कर्मणी प्रयोग. Friends, we know about voice, active voice and passive voice, and you have also studied in your former standard in secondary and higher secondary level. Here we have to change the sentence from active voice into passive voice. The second grammar topic is modal auxiliary. Modal auxiliary is used for permission, ability, probability, possibility and obligation. There are 2 types of modal auxiliary. Number first, simple modal auxiliary, and number second is perfect modal auxiliaries. Number third topic, grammar, is about adjective and adverbs. Adjective is a word that qualify a noun. Here we will learn different type of adjectives. Adjective of quality, गुणवाचक विशेषण. Adjective of quantity, जत्थावाचक विशेषण. Adjective of number, संख्यावाचक विशेषण. Demonstrative adjective, निर्देशवाचक विशेषण. Distributive adjective, विभागवाचक विशेषण. Interrogative adjectives, प्रश्नार्थवाचक विशेषण. Comparison of adjectives, विशेषणों तुलना. Adverbs, क्रिया विशेषणों. A word which modify a verb, an adjective or another adverbs is called an adverb. Here we will also learn different type of adverbs. For example, adverb of time, समय दर्शक क्रिया विशेषणों. Adverb of place, स्थल दर्शक क्रिया विशेषणों. Adverb of number, संख्यावाचक क्रिया विशेषणों. Adverb of manner, रीत दर्शक क्रिया विशेषणों. Adverb of quality, गुणवाचक क्रिया विशेषणों. Adverb of quantity, जत्थावाचक क्रिया विशेषणों. Adverb of reason, कारण दर्शक क्रिया विशेषणों. Adverb of affirmation and negation means के हकार के नकारवाचक क्रिया विशेषणों. Relative adverbs means संबंधक क्रिया विशेषणों. અને interrogative adverbs means प्रश्नवाचक क्रिया विशेषणों. Unit number 4 is about letter writing, पत्र लेखन. Friends, here we will learn about letters. In our daily lifestyle, we write different type of letters. Friends, here we will learn a different type of letters. For example, personal letter, अंगत पत्र. Complimentary letter means congratulation letter, अभिनंदन लगता पत्रों. Request letter, विनंती न लगता पत्रों. Regret letter, दिलगिरी व्यक्त करता पत्रों. Invitation letter, आमंत्रणना पत्रों. जुदा जुदा प्रकारना आपणे पत्रों अहींया યુનિટ નંબર 4 માં લખવાનું શીખવાનું છે. તો આજે મિત્રો આપણે BA અને BSc સેમિસ્ટર 3 માં કમ્પલસરી ઇંગ્લિશમાં સિલેક્ટેડ સિલેબસની ચર્ચા કરી. સેમિસ્ટર 3 માં આપણે કમ્પલસરી ઇંગ્લિશમાં 4 યુનિટનો અભ્યાસ કરવાનો છે, જે તમે જોઈ શકો છો અહીંયા ચારે ચાર યુનિટને. યુનિટ નંબર 1માં શોર્ટ સ્ટોરીઝ, યુનિટ નંબર 2માં વોકેબ્યુલરી ટેક્સ્ટ બેઝડ આઇડમ્સ એન્ડ ફ્રેઝીસ, યુનિટ નંબર 3માં ગ્રામર અને યુનિટ નંબર 4માં લેટર રાઇટિંગ પત્ર લેખનનો અભ્યાસ કરવાનો છે. હવે નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમે આપણે નવા વિડીયોમાં 1 by 1 યુનિટ અને ટોપિક્સની ચર્ચા કરતા રહીશું. થેન્ક્સ ટુ ઓલ માય ડિયર ફ્રેન્ડ્સ.